Yeah, I mean, it's always something you have to be proud of, to represent my own country and my family. And yeah, I enjoy being around with the girls and just learning more about my culture, which is nice. I mean, going back overseas to Australia to Brumbies, I guess it was a bit different because it's not a full-time contract, because obviously we have to work and then come into trainings after that. So I think coming back into this environment, I've seen a lot of differences within the teams and just how we've been getting treated now, which is very professional. So yeah, it's really good. I think this year is will be a really good year for us. I guess having a lot of new girls and young ones coming in, and I'm looking forward to be able to get that cut back home again. We had a lot of girls during the pre-season which we had to fight for our own spot, and having the final squad in now, I think it's really good for us to still have that competition and be able to fight for our own spot, to be able to be selected when it comes to game days.